Do you want to unpause your Apple Watch workout? Maybe you're using the Apple Watch to track your indoor activities or outdoor exercise, and now you want to resume the workout on your Apple Watch. Then this video is focusing mainly on how to unpause Apple Watch workout. So if at the end you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. This works on different kinds of workouts you engage in using your Apple Watch to track. Now, to unpause your Apple Watch workout, it means you want to resume the workout. So all you just need to do is go ahead and open the workout application, and you're gonna see the workout paused just like this. So once you see pause, that shows your Apple Watch is not tracking your workout activities. Now, if you want to unpause it, all you just need to do is swipe right, and here under pause, you're gonna have access to resume, which is going to help you to unpause the Apple Watch workout. Now go ahead and click on unpause or resume. Then you're gonna feel haptics and chime. Afterward, you're gonna see your workout resumed. Now to pause it again, repeat the same thing. To unpause the workout, swipe right and click on resume. And then once you're done with the workout, now you want to end the workout, just swipe right and then click on end. Is that so? That is basically how to unpause Apple Watch workout. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.